About that severe weather this morning. Have a new update for you. National Weather Service that was out surveying some damage out in the Rocky Hawk area just north of Edenton confirmed that a tornado did in fact cause that wind damage there. No yet word on the strength of that tornado, but at least one confirmed tornado from this morning's severe weather outbreak. Flooding rains also were a big issue. 2 to 4 inches of it fell, and more is falling as we speak as you go down towards the southern parts of the Outer Banks, right up through the northern parts through Sandbridge area. Still coming down at a pretty good clip there. And notice it is streaming up from the south through Nags Head and up through Kill Devil Hills just now to the east of Elizabeth City. Still seeing some rain there, but not nearly as heavy as 10-20 miles off towards the east along the Outer Banks through southern shores there right now. Up through downtown Norfolk, a few lighter showers and sprinkles there, but you get into Virginia Beach, it's heavier through Pungo and along the Back Bay area and up through the ocean front as well. Eastern Shore seeing that taper on off, but another round of showers on the lighter side up through Cape Charles and Kiptopeke right now. And there's another line developing off towards the south and west here, right along I-95 is now pushed just to the east of it, and also more showers developing out here in central eastern North Carolina, all lifting towards the north. So another round on the way, not as heavy or widespread as the previous, but nonetheless it's going to be likely seeing some scattered showers this afternoon with a few breaks and brighter spots in that cloud cover. The whole storm system, it is a monster. The center of the low sitting off to our west still, and it's going to slowly track off to the north and east over the coming days. As it does so, it's going to keep our weather a little bit unsettled with a shower chance in there right through Sunday morning. 68 Newport News right now, 65 Chesapeake, 70 in Williamsburg, 66 Moyock, and 67 in Elizabeth City. A few wind gusts out there on the higher side, 25-30 miles an hour, but they're going to kick up a little bit more as a warm front lifts on through here and winds kick in out of the south. Here's a look at those wind gusts as we go through the rest of the day. Again, picking up towards this evening and overnight, gusting upwards of 25 to 30 miles an hour. Here's how it pans out on FUTURECAST. The heaviest rain exits off to the shore, off the coastline, and we see some scattered showers out here through the remainder of the afternoon. Overnight, I think we see those clouds break apart a little bit, and the more sunshine we see tomorrow will lead to more cloud cover in the afternoon and evening. And as a piece of energy kind of moves on through here tomorrow afternoon, evening, and overnight, the chance increases for a few isolated showers. I think a better chance in here very early in the pre-dawn hours of Sunday morning before that clears out and sunshine returns. 75 today, isolated showers, breezy and mild. South winds at 10 to 20, maybe a clap of thunder or two thrown in the mix there. But the weekend unfolds like this, 74 on Saturday, mostly cloudy. The chance goes up for showers in the afternoon and evening, especially overnight. And then Sunday, partly cloudy, cooler. Temperatures in the upper 60s. And that storm, as it exits, pulls down some much cooler air with highs only in the middle 60s. By the time we get to early next week, Monday and Tuesday, we're in the middle 60s for afternoon highs, which is a good 5 to 8 degrees below average for this time of the year. And we'll slowly start to warm things back up into the low to mid 70s as we get towards the middle of the week. Nice, long, dry stretch of weather. Okay. We need it after 2 to 4 inches of rain.
Yeah, they're going to get all that water out of the grass.
That's right.
Yeah.
So one confirmed tornado now. They're going to be out there surveying other damage and see if there were, in fact, more.
All right. We'll have much more coming up on 13 News Now starting at 4 p.m.
But make sure to get the news anytime on 13newsnow.com and download our app as well. We will be updating that. Have a good day.